1 2 and 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set picture password in Windows 10. Okay, now let's go. Click on Start button and Setting. Click on Account. Click on Sign In option and click on Picture Password. You can use a favorite password to sign in to Windows app and service. Okay, now I click on Add. Okay, I type current password. Click OK. Choose picture. Okay, choose your picture that you want, your favorite picture that you want to set picture password. Now I choose the photo, this picture, and open. Drop your picture to position it the way you want. Okay, if you want to change a new picture, click on choose new picture. Okay, now I use this picture, so I click on use this picture. Okay, 1 2 3 4 point 3 point for security on your picture. Okay, now I drawing cycle 1 2 and 3. Okay, confirm. Confirmation 1 2 and 3. Okay, congratulations, you successfully create your picture password. Use it the next time you sign in to Windows. Okay, now click on finish. Correct completely. Okay, now I will test sign in. Close it. Click on start and log. Okay, sign in 1 2 and 3. Okay, already. Thank you. This is how to set picture password in Windows 10. Okay, bye bye.